Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you how to send automated WhatsApp messages using Python. This video is going to be a very quick one, so to follow along this video you need to have Python 3 and pip 3 installed on your computer. So watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and thank you. Let's get started. Thanks to the contributor of Pywhatkit, so we are going to install Pywhatkit on our computer. You can use virtual environment, but for this video I'm just gonna do it from the CLI. So we have installed globally Pywhatkit on my computer, and I'm gonna go to Python shell. So simply type in Python 3 or Python, whatever the setup you have. Okay, so let us import the library, so which is Pywhatkit, and I'm going to show you what actually is bundled with this particular package. So you can send messages to a particular person or contact number, or you can send messages to a particular group, right? You can send scheduled messages, or you can send instant message. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in this video how to send instant message and scheduled message. So let me import from Pywhatkit send what message instantly, because I'm going to send instant messages, and send what message, which is actually for scheduled message. So we could also use the OS library to use the environment variable, because I don't want to show you my friend's phone number. Let me send an instant message to my friend on his WhatsApp number. So I'm gonna use send what message underscore instantly. So going to use the variable, which is my environmental variable, right? You need to export it and then put the number, WhatsApp number equal. Within the quotation you need to put the phone number with the country code, okay? But use a plus sign before the country code. So I'm gonna write him a message, hey man, how are you doing? Hey man, how is going? It's not how are you doing, okay? So to send the message right now, I just need to press the enter key on my keyboard, and it will open up a tab on my browser. And note that you need to be logged in already on WhatsApp to send the message to your friend. In case you have not logged in, then WhatsApp will tell you, hey, you need to log in. Okay, so you need to scan from your phone so that you can connect to your browser. If you have not logged in already, then right here WhatsApp will tell you what you have to exactly do to log in. We just used the variable. Right now I'm just gonna hardcode the phone number right here. So what you have to do, you need to put the single quotation or double quotation, and then put the phone number with the plus sign, and then the country code, and then goes the message. So if you want to send the instant message, you just need to put your phone number with the message in the quotation mark, because it's in a string. Okay, so I'm going to write my friend a message, okay, and actually he doesn't know that I'm sending him message using this Python program. Okay, so message is already sent to him. Excellent. So we have successfully sent the instant message to a WhatsApp number. Now we are going to look into the scheduled message. So in the scheduled message, I'm going to send my friend a new message. So in this case is going to take the time. Now it's almost midnight, so I'm going to send a message 12 past 5. Note that this is not 12-hour clock, this is 24-hour clock. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, show some support, guys. I have already pushed the code in the Gitlab repository, where I also used pip, so if you're interested, go ahead and clone the repository. That was it for today. Stay safe and see you in the next one. Cheers.